We are at the castle with the king, ready for the banquet. But we have one important question. Where is the queen? We must go on a quest to find her. Aha! Is this the queen? No, that is a quail with a crown. Is this the queen? No, that is a quarter with a crown on George Washington's head. Is this the queen? No, that is a squirrel with a crown. This quest is quickly becoming quite tiresome. The letters Q and U have found the queen. Quiet! Quiet for the queen! The helpful squires Q and U have found the queen. The queen! All hail the queen! I am so glad that we found the queen. Hey, queen, it's the letter Q. It looks like this when it's written in uppercase and like this when it's written in lowercase. We're not just learning about the letter Q, though. Letter Q is almost always followed by a U. So today we are learning about the digraph QU. Remember that a digraph is when two letters next to each other make a completely new sound. The sound that Q and U make is made up of the sounds K and W. You know those sounds separately pretty well. Let's practice them separately first. K, spelled with a hard C in raccoon, candy, or rescue. K, spelled with a K in king, kite, or snake. W, spelled with a W like in watermelon, window, or wave. W, spelled with WH like in where, which, or whale. Let's make those sounds separately. K, W, K, W. What if we want to put those sounds together to make the sound Qu, 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 Qu? I have a quick quiz question. What letters do we use to spell the sound Qu? Oh no, Mia! Even though these letters make the sounds K and W by themselves, they never go together to make the sound Qu. If we want to make the Qu sound in English, we will need Q and U. Q and U together don't just make the sound K, and they don't just make the sound W. They make the sound Qu, 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 like in queen, Square. Quiet. Quill. Squid. Squish. Let's look at some more words. You read the word, and then I'll show you the picture. Quilt. Liquid. Quack. Squeak. Quote. Quickly. Oh, quickly now! Back to the castle before the banquet begins! The king is here. The queen is here. Squires Q and U are here. The knights are here. Wait a second. Even Mia is here. This is going to be the best banquet ever. Hey, wait. Did you hear something go squeak? Well, looks like we have a new situation to get under control. As for you, don't forget to always stay clever. Hey.